Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we will be discussing about how to redeem Pepsi code in Gcash 2024. Before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done that already. So you can see basically we have that in here, and let's just scroll a bit down. So if you have rewards in Gcash homepage, browse through the voucher categories and tap free to claim vouchers. Let's just say you have those. You simply need to head over to rewards and then heads icon at the top right of your corner, then browse articles chat and submit a ticket if you are unable to do that. So you can see if you have a voucher already done, you can then head over to your claim now to redeem it feature. So make sure you head over to that and you can see my rewards vouchers, and then you will be able to pop in your voucher code in there. It is quite simple. Make sure to give a try to yourself as well, and if you're facing any issues, let us know. I will be trying to get back to you as soon as possible fixing up the issue. So yeah, that is it for this video. Subscribe, see you guys around in the next one.